At DeZURIK, we know reliable check valve performance is critical to protecting pumps, pipelines, and entire process systems. That's why the APCO CVS-6000 swing check valve was designed to provide reliable operation, long service life, and maximum flow efficiency across the most demanding applications. The APCO CVS swing check valve is engineered with a comprehensive set of features to deliver peak performance, enhanced durability, and ease of maintenance, including high-strength shaft, a high-strength one-piece shaft in stainless steel which eliminates axial movement and enhances overall stability and reliability. Low head loss. These heavy-duty valves are designed with a full flow area delivering low head loss and inherent slam minimization. Enhanced durability. Made from ductile iron and coated inside and out with a tough two-part epoxy finish designed to provide long-lasting protection and dependable performance. Ease of maintenance. The top-entry design allows internal components to be replaced easily without removing the valve from the pipeline, making maintenance simple. And the seat rings are field replaceable without the use of special tools. Certifications and compliance. The APCO CVS swing check valve meets industry standard AWWA C508. AIS, BABA, and NSF compliance is available when required. The APCO CVS-6000 swing check valve is engineered with unique features to meet diverse application demands and deliver unmatched performance and reliability. The 6000D body style offers 4 closure control devices. The lever and weight is an economical solution for gradual flow reversals. A lever and spring device is more suitable for applications that have sudden flow reversal. The spring delivers faster closure than the lever and weight. The lever and weight with air cushion is preferred for free open, fast close applications. Air cushioned closing is accomplished by restricting the air escape through the adjustable flow control valve. The lever and weight with oil cushion is a precision-engineered shock absorber. It's designed to work in conjunction with the lever and weight assembly to absorb impact forces generated during valve closure. The 6000D is ideal for most applications and meets AWWA C508-25. The CVS-6000D design offers premium patent-pending features, including single-piece disc and disc arm. A single-piece disc and disc arm which provides a stronger, more reliable connection than assemblies that use an articulated single-pin connection to attach the disc to the disc arm. This design eliminates common failures like disc misalignment, pin wear, and loose pin connections. Advanced seat sealing technology. The valve's advanced seat sealing technology combines a precision-machined contoured metallic body seat with the self-aligning molded rubber disc seat. The contoured body seat enhances low-pressure sealing, while the self-aligning seat allows the elastomer to flex and adapt under variable load conditions. Built-in seat compression limiter. A built-in seat compression limiter prevents the disc from over-compressing the rubber seat beyond its elastic limit, which maximizes seat life, ensures reliable shutoff, and protects critical components. The 6000A 6000 body style offers 2 closure control devices specifically designed to gradually decelerate the reverse flow after pump shutdown. The oil-controlled, side-mounted cylinder offers 3 stages of closure, which provides characterizable, adjustable closing time. The oil-controlled, bottom-mounted buffer has been used successfully for decades to provide adjustable closing time and is specifically designed to gradually decelerate the reverse flow after pump shutdown on tough applications that would slam or damage other check valve designs. The APCO CVS-6000 swing check valve is designed for versatility, making it suitable for both clean and dirty service applications. It's an excellent choice for water, wastewater, water distribution, and industrial water systems. To learn more about the APCO CVS-6000 swing check valve or any other DeZURIK products, contact your local sales representative or visit us online at DeZURIK.com.